Season's greetings to your family from the KFC family.
Hello, my name is Sharon Leslie from Portmore Mall. I would like to send greetings to my family here in Jamaica and abroad. My two children, Malik and Jermaine, my grandchild Jeremiah, my husband Martin, and the rest of KFC family. I would like to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes.
My name is Jillian Ramdas. I'm from number 15 Portmore Mall, and I would like to send greetings to my husband and my son and my relative here and abroad. I would like to wish them a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's.
My name is Trevor Eubanks from KFC Portmore Mall, and send special greetings to my grandmother in Canada, mother and sister, and my father, my grandmother, and my girlfriend, and special greetings to all of the KFC family, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
My name is Lloyd Edwards. I'm from KFC Portmore brand. I'd like to send Merry Christmas to all my families, my workers and my managers. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes.
Hello Jamaica, my name is Michael Blackwood, wishing you and your family a happy holidays from Portmore Mall and my team members.
Hi, my name is Jason Anderson, Shift Supervisor here at Portmore Mall. I'd like to send Christmas greetings to my family back in country, my mother, my brother, my sister, nieces and nephew, my cousins, to my son Azair, my baby mother, Jay Blake, and my extended family. I'd also like to big up my co-workers here at Portmore Mall. And by overall, I want to big up the entire ROJ family. Have a wonderful Christmas.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. My name is Stacey Ann Hines. I would like to send greetings to my family. I would like to send greetings to my mom, my dad, my cousin, and other relatives, and also to my co-worker, KFC Portmore Mall. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from KFC Portmore Mall. Yay!
Season's greetings to your family from the KFC family.
This is Jamaica's season for giving thanks for what matters. It's the time to show up, be there for each other, and to feed our hope for a brighter tomorrow. Celebrate being together with a KFC festive feast. Get the new festive 9 bucket. Proceeds from each festive feast purchase go towards hurricane relief. KFC is finger licking good.